In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see total Shopify fees. To make this clear and stress-free, we'll walk through the exact place in your Shopify admin where your charges are summarized, and then open the detailed breakdown so you know what each dollar is for. Start by logging into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser. If you manage more than one storefront, double check you're in the correct store before you continue. Using the admin ensures you're looking at the official billing view that powers your invoices and charge history. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the admin and click Settings. It's the gear icon. This is the control center for account details, and it's where Shopify keeps anything related to your plan and payments. From the settings page, select billing. The billing area is your home base for costs. Here, Shopify groups everything it intends to charge you for, including your subscription plan, app charges, shipping labels, taxes, credits, and adjustments. Think of it as the invoice dashboard. Near the top, under a section labeled Your Charges, you'll see the monthly Shopify plan fee. This is the core subscription cost for your current plan tier. If you've changed plans mid-cycle, you may see prorated amounts reflected here. If you're on an annual plan, you might see the portion due in the current period or the date of the next renewal. This line gives you a quick snapshot of the baseline fee you can expect. To view the full picture, click View Bill. This opens the detailed invoice for the selected billing period with itemized line entries. You'll typically find the plan fee, app subscriptions and usage charges, one-time app purchases, shipping label costs, applicable taxes, discounts, and any credits. The invoice shows totals and timing, so you can confirm exactly what was charged and when. It's normal for the totals here to differ from your payment processing fees. Transaction and gateway fees taken through Shopify payments are usually accounted for in your payouts rather than on this monthly bill, so keep that distinction in mind when reconciling. Inside the bill view, take a moment to scan the date range and verify each line looks expected. If something seems unfamiliar, compare it with recent app installs, usage, or shipping activity. You'll typically have access to previous bills from the billing screen as well, which makes month-over-month comparisons straightforward. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to settings, open billing, check your charges, and use view bill for the itemized details. Review this regularly to avoid surprises and to keep your operating costs predictable.